What up, TikTok? I am so exhausted. So excuse the look, excuse my eyes, they're probably red. But what package? I'm not gonna tell you. We just gonna get my reaction and everything. Like, hold on. This way. Ow! Like, really? What did I say? Yeah. I'm like excited. Like, I wanna open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. Let's hope they fit, because I ordered these online. What? Oh, I'm too excited. Okay, I'm gonna set them up. They're not too big. How do we feel?